yet remitted their contribution for the Grand Alumni Homecoming as of this time. The treasurer was out of the conference or the meeting we have done just sa afternoon. So thank you for coming. Thank you sa iyong suporta sa iyong tanan. Salamat sa iyong pagkadi. Lalo na iyong presensya. Bisan karawara kita o kilaadi kita para mag-enjoy. And then we have to show our unity at camaraderie to each other. And by supporting and to make them happy, the people that is outside. So we have to send our pictures, pictures sa YouTube or sa Facebook para makita nila dito sa labasan natin ang activities. Okay, so enjoy the afternoon, especially the night, the dancing. And of course, we have here two Magic Sing from Noel Tamayo, and that's Junjun Amatos. Thank you very much. Enjoy yourself in dancing and singing. Good luck for the next grand reunion that will be on 2012. This is Joel Atika hosting this afternoon. Sign off. Hey, when?